Under my kitchen counter has always been my biggest embarrassment, which is why I was so happy when I found this. Just the perfect way to organize your storage. So it has the bottom part, it's just got, you put your roll of garbage bags in so they feed out and you will never have to worry about them getting all messed up under your counter. And it comes in 2 pieces. So you just open this up and then your garbage bags go in there. Put that on. So then this part goes on top, and this has a little door where you fill it with all of your, and it's on a bit of a, you can't really see it, but the piece inside here is on a little bit of a slant, so they will feed towards the front. And that is for your dishwasher pods. So great, great little invention to keep your under sink area all organized, and basically it is a space saver. So you'll have lots more space to put other things under there as well. But I absolutely love this. Highly recommend getting one of these if your under sink is your embarrassment. This will help.